Hi guys, what's up? I'm Herman. I'm a dating coach. I've been helping numerous of clients out here in the Las Vegas area. So I wanted to take it a step further, all right, and start my very own YouTube channel. It's called Natural Game. What I'll be going over in this channel to help you guys out is to really improve your game and help you guys attract girls to you, okay? The more girls that see you as a masculine, attractive man, the better you're gonna feel, all right? Some of the topics that we're gonna go over is how you're gonna first approach a girl that you like, all right? That's major. Knowing what you're gonna say and how you're gonna say it, okay? Second, how you're going to get the girl to wanna go on a date with you. Also, how to text her the right way. That's a huge deal. Where we are now in the world, you're gonna wanna know how to text a girl and keep her interested in you, as well as getting a girl to a point where she wants to be your girlfriend, okay? So the reason I started this channel was because me, myself, growing up, I have not been able to really research the kind of information that I thought was gonna help me specifically. So the things that I've learned in the past 5 years studying this has really gotten me to figure out what works and what does not work. So the people that are experts and all the dating coaches that you currently see, they have their own methods to what they do, but I truly believe that I have the skills and the information and the knowledge that's going to get you guys the results that you want. You want to have an abundance of women that are attracted to you. You want to become the life of the party, the guy that has the good energy, the fun, persistent person that just anybody wants to be around, okay? We're going to get you to that. We're going to get you to become a natural at game, all right? I want to help you guys master that, okay? So do me a favor, hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe. I'll be posting really dope content soon, okay? Just keep your eyes posted on my next video, which will talk about, like we said, how to approach a girl that you like. All right, guys, stay safe. Get ready to be on the journey to become a natural, all right? Take care, fellas.